Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to all. In today's video, we'll introduce Magic AI, a powerful feature in Krayin CRM. With Magic AI, you can easily import lead data by uploading a PDF or image. It automatically extracts the details and creates a lead for you, saving time and effort. This is our Krayin dashboard. Here you can find the Magic AI configuration option. You need to enable both settings. Next, enter the API key and select your model. Currently, we are using the Llama model for testing purposes. To use this, visit OpenRouter, search for the model. In our case, it's the Llama model, and locate it from the list. Once you've found the model, copy its name and paste it into the configuration field. I've already done this. Now, you need to create an API key. You can easily create one from the same platform by clicking Create API Key. It's a simple process. I've already created one, but I'll make another called Krayin 21. Now that it's created, copy the API key and paste it into the configuration. Click Save Configuration. Now that the configuration has been saved successfully, let's go ahead and create a lead using a PDF file. As you can see, under New Leads, there are currently no leads. I'm now uploading a file to generate a lead. Go to the Upload File option, then choose your file. This is my file. Click Save. And now you can see the lead has been created successfully. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webcol.com or raise a ticket at webcol.uedesk.com. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.